Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look for you guys, and it's the most easiest eye look ever. Literally, I'm not even kidding with you, like literally the easiest eye look ever. I'm going to call this like my go-to fall look, I guess you could say. And I'm just going to be using the Morphe Second Nature palette and glitter from Star Crushed Minerals in shade Fields of Gold, and literally that's it. So 3 eyeshadow shades, glitter, lashes, you're done. Super cute, super easy, and I really do hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy, guys! So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing an eye look with the Second Nature palette by Morphe. And I already did my face off camera, so yeah, let's get started on the eyes. So first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light. And I already have like mascara on because I just took off the eyeshadow. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to film this look. So, yeah. Put this everywhere. I haven't filmed a tutorial in forever. So I was like, might as well. Plus, I was stressed, and like when I do makeup, I just don't think about anything else, and I'm not stressed. I set it with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette with the shade White Peach right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the Beach Cosmetics number 5 brush. I'm just gonna go in to that shade, just sweep it all over my lid. So now that we have our base set, we're gonna go ahead and go in with the palette. Like I said, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Second Nature palette. Your girl finally got some nails. I got them for Hoko though. So yeah. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade Universal right here in the corner, and that's gonna be my transition shade. And it's gonna go all over my lid. And I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe brush. It's not maroon, it's just stained. But like I said, just gonna go in with that shade Universal. I picked up a lot. We're just gonna put that all over the lid. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with in the outer V, and then I'm just gonna build it up to the color I like, basically. And I'm just going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It comes in this one came in the Subculture palette, so it just comes with the palette. And I'm just using on the fluffy side. And you're just gonna press it right here. See, like you're barely gonna start with a little bit. And you're gonna blend it this way. You want to just build this color. You don't want to go in with a whole bunch of color because it'll turn into a humongous mess. And you're just gonna have to take off your eyeshadow and you're gonna get frustrated, so don't do it. So basically this is what it's gonna look like so far. I just packed on the color and that was about it. Now I'm just gonna swoop it this way. Drag whatever's left on the brush and whatever I have right here and just bring it to my inner tear duct. I think that's what that's called. Then I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the packing brush, a small packing brush by Morphe. And I'm just gonna keep on going in with that color, but I just wanna pack it on more precisely. this is what's gonna get the job done. I'm just gonna go back in with the crease brush and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the shade again and just go over everything. I know, it kind of looks like a hot mess right now. But so far, this is what you should have. Ignore like right here. I'm gonna clean that up in a little bit. So what your eyes should look like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and the Morphe like eyeliner brush, I guess you could say. Anybody else pick like makeup over hair when they're like waking up in the morning and they're trying to decide, should I do my makeup or should I do my hair? Literally, I choose makeup every single time because my hair, I don't have patience with my hair. I just don't have the time. And I get so annoyed if it doesn't want to cooperate. So I'm just like, forget it. Not today. So it's literally always in a bun, braids or something. It's so basic. Go ahead and go in with this Eco Tools brush and I'm gonna go ahead and use this side. And I'm going to dip into this shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply that over my crease. Well, over my little, what I cut. Yes, boo. If y'all could see this in person, it's like hella pigmented. To me, this screams fall. Yes, B, yes. I'm so done. I'm gonna go back in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip in this shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and dip in this shade right here. It's literally the same shade I've been dipping into. This look is so easy. I literally only use three eyeshadow shades out of the whole entire palette. Like, you could not mess this up whatsoever. Super simple. I'm just dabbing my outer V again. My lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and just dip into the same shade that I've been dipping in for my lower lash line. I'm gonna connect it. The shade is so pretty. I apply lashes. These lashes that I'm wearing, I just ordered them from this company called ig-brixxnaaaa lashes, or it's just ig-brixxnaaaa. I'm pretty sure it's ig-brixxnaaaa lashes. But anyways, these are in the style Girl Boss. I wore them earlier today and I like them a lot. And I do have an affiliate code with them if you do want to purchase them or any lashes on the website. It's going to be 10% off. And my affiliate code is Queen Bee Glam. So if y'all want to use that, that's cool to save y'all some money. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply these lashes. And I will see y'all in a little bit. Now they're on. I'm gonna apply some glitter real quick because I feel like this is kind of missing something. So I'm gonna, I have the NYX glitter glue. I'm just gonna put it right here in my inner corner and see what happens. I'm using Star Crushed Minerals glitter in the shade, or in Glitter Fields of Gold. And it comes like this with the little circles. Oh my god, it's so hard to open. And stick it in my inner corner. Oh man, I'm living. This is exactly what this look needed. This looks so cute. Oh my god. I'm in love. This is like my new inner corner highlight. Oh my gosh. Try not to waste the little glitters. But I just did. Oh well. But yeah. This is basically... Your girl needs to fix her bun. Hold up. So this is Marc Jacobs in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. Okay guys, so this is going to be my finished look and for the tutorial. And I'll link everything down in the description. And I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Oh my god, like I'm literally like, yes B. I love this inner corner. It's going to be a pain to come off, but I love it.